This piece presents a fully featured portable sound system as a single, unified object, emphasizing its mechanical complexity, balance, and outward-facing function through a dense arrangement of visible controls and components. The view opens on a straight-on, centered perspective of a wide rectangular device resting firmly on a flat base. A thick carry handle spans the top edge, with two long telescoping antennas extending upward and crossing at opposing angles, creating an immediate sense of height and reach. Below the handle, the upper face is packed with linear elements, including a long horizontal display window set into the center, bordered by fine tick marks and framed panels. To one side, a bank of vertical sliders sits in tight formation, each capped and aligned with precision. Circular knobs of varying diameters appear across the top row, some larger and more dominant, others smaller and evenly spaced, all marked with short indicator lines. Moving downward, the center section reveals a cassette compartment defined by a rectangular window and two visible spool hubs inside. Beneath it, a row of square push buttons forms a clean horizontal band. The lower half is anchored by two large circular speakers, one on each side, their concentric rings and patterned interiors drawing sustained attention. Along the bottom edge, small ports and circular openings complete the face, giving the entire front a layered tool-like presence. The object shown is a portable audio device designed to receive, play, and project sound outward through two large speakers positioned symmetrically on the left and right sides. Each speaker features multiple concentric rings and a textured center, suggesting layered internal components. Between them sits a cassette deck, clearly identifiable by its rectangular opening and paired circular reel hubs. Above this, a long horizontal panel appears to function as a tuning or frequency display, though its exact markings and range are unknown. Surrounding the central elements are numerous knobs, sliders, and switches, all manually operated and marked with fine indicator lines that imply adjustable control over sound or signal. The top-mounted antennas indicate support for broadcast reception, while the rigid handle suggests portability. Along the bottom edge, several small circular and rectangular openings are visible, likely serving as inputs or additional controls, with their exact functions unknown. Devices of this type exist to combine multiple audio functions into a single portable unit, allowing recorded media and broadcast content to be shared audibly in open or social settings. The design reads clearly and confidently due to its strong symmetry, consistent spacing, and repetition of circular and rectangular forms. Large speakers anchor the composition, while horizontal bands guide the eye across the surface without interruption. The density of detail remains controlled, with all elements connected and aligned, making the structure well suited for continuous line interpretation. Some controls and indicators have unknown purposes, but their placement supports balance rather than clutter.